Right, this seems like a decent place to come along really, and have a bit of a drone fly, let's say. So I was here on my last video and I kind of went across that field there and went over to the woods over there. I did spot a deer going into it, so I kind of followed him in, or her in, and I couldn't find it because obviously it ran away. But I think what I'll do is try my drone and see how we get on with it. As I say, I've not flown a drone for a while, and the DJI is slightly different than Hubsan Zeno, so it might get a, you know, might get a few issues regarding how to remember how to fly the DJI, but it should all come back to me quite easily, I'd have thought. Right, let's get ourselves into the app. Get into my phone first, DJI. Right, I think you remember, if I remember you, let's see, oh, there's a photograph. Right, changing to video mode. SD card, 58 gigabytes available. I wonder if I can reformat it somehow. Safety checks. Home point is good.
Take off. Home point updated.
Aim her down a little bit.
Okay, so it's up and away with the DJI Mini 2 drone. We've got a bit of a camera shake going on there, not exactly sure what is happening. It's not supposed to do that, so I did bring it back and I tried it again and it flew with no problems whatsoever.
Successful little flight there, that's good. That worked out quite well, I think. I think I'll quit whilst I'm ahead.
Landing.
Hiya, how are you?
Alright. Alfie, come
Good,
on.
good. He's met some new friends by the look of it.
Yeah.
Brilliant. There we go, so that I thought was quite good. Come back in one piece, always a bonus when that happens, isn't it? Takes a bit of getting used to though, from the Hubsan to the DJI. Oi. Right. There you go. First flight in the DJI, and it's worked out quite okay. Just a bit unsure why it's when I went away it kind of wobbled a bit. I think I'll try that again actually. It seems to be okay now. Okay, all is good. I'm gonna land you now.
This could very well be the stupidest person on the face of the earth.
Wasn't very good, was it? Jeepers. Right. We are on the way out to view a house. Is that one just there with the solar panels on? But first we've got to run out to Highworth, about 3 or 4 miles away. Going to pick up my son, his girlfriend, his family, then we're going to go and view it. So that's the idea, is to view it first and see whether it's suitable for us all to live in, and we're just taking it one step at a time at the moment. Today weather-wise it's absolutely disgusting in the UK. It's relentless rain. I think I'd much rather just sell our house and go and move country, I think.
Single bedroom's got an ensuite
There is a
facility.
bathroom there.
Right, yeah.
But blank canvas, you've seen the floor plan, do it?
Yeah, the floor plan looks pretty good.
That is the only bath in the property. Alright.
Seven cars. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 or 7 cars really. What do you reckon then, Adam?
That's pretty decent, isn't it?
You okay? You happy? Try and think how we can split it up so we don't all like trip over each other.
I don't think you have a problem with that, considering the way that it's built around the front bit at the back. Around the garage.
I need to have another look, I think. Don't know what you could do with
the whole of the garden.
Well, you could take the
Panels out.
the panels down. You could extend it out, make this part of the garden. You could probably have a vegetable patch somewhere if you wanted one. Whereabouts would your chickens go, do you reckon?
I've only got 8 of them.
Okay. Chickens have to go somewhere.
Space.
Yeah.
It needs an area about this sort of car park
Yeah,
space.
yeah, that's all they would need, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
And the rest you'd go for car parking, then you could have a vegetable patch. We need a bit of space for car parking. Do you think the house is big enough for us?
Yeah, it's big enough. Pretty big. It's got a loft as well. We could get that converted.
Yeah, possibly. Might cost a bit of money for that, mind.
Well, stick the boards down like you did at your house,
Yeah.
and then stick some plasterboards up.
Yeah. Okay. There you go.
To myself, Dad, that it might not be half so bad.